one small cut changed everything for her. Don't let it happen to you. Hello everyone, I am Nivedita. I am back with one of the special case today. It's very normal to get to hear something like this कि उसे amputation हो गया है, but you would never think कि एक simple सा reason और एक simple सा manicure उसको amputation को lead कर सकते हैं. So let me begin with the story. And we came across one of the patient. She is a musician, so because of the program she wanted to do a manicure. So manicure is basically a self-care for most of us, and we know there is a cuticle cut down. So whenever a person is having any kind of programs, most of the ladies and the professionals, especially who are musicians and who are performing, they have to have this routine that they used to go through manicures. And this particular, so we asked that lady that what happened after a manicure. उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि मैनिक्योर होने के 2 दिन बाद ही उन्हें स्वेलिंग, रेडनेस, पेन आ रहा है, पूरे आर्म तक जा रहा है. एज शी इज अ इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्लेयर, वी आस्क्ड कि उन्हें तो पेन कहीं था उस टाइम, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हाँ उनके नेक पे और शोल्डर रीजन पे पेन काफ़ी ज़्यादा था, बट शी इज़ परफॉर्मिंग, सो शी थॉट कि शी इज़ टायर्ड, शी इज़ नॉट हैविंग फीवर एट दैट मोमेंट, बट विद इन हाफ ऑफ द डे she complained she is getting high fever and she is having very bad pain in the bone regions. So doctors started diagnosing, the whole team is working, and when the diagnosis came out we got to know, okay, she got a condition known as necrotizing fasciitis. So necrotizing fasciitis, it's a flesh eating bacterial infection where it is spreading through bloodstream. अगर मैं इसको explain करूँ तो necrotizing fasciitis एक ऐसी condition है जिसमें फ्लैश को खाने वाली एक इन्फेक्शन, जो बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं वो इन्फेक्शन होता है, वो ब्लड स्ट्रीम के थ्रू स्प्रेड होता है पूरी बॉडी में, और इसकी वजह से जो आपके अच्छे टिश्यूज होते हैं, हेल्दी टिश्यूज होते हैं, उनको ये बैक्टीरियाज खाने लगते हैं. तो दिस इज अ डायग्नोसिस व्हेन दे टेस्टेड आउट, एंड शी टोल्ड अस कि शी गॉट ऑपरेटेड फर्स्टली बिकॉज शी थॉट कि that maybe she is not going to get any kind of complications, but because of high fever she got a septic shock. So when doctors diagnosed the condition, it is a necrotizing fasciitis condition, then she got operated, and because of small cut from an unsterilized tool, she got a devastating amputation where she lost her arm from the shoulder region, and for a musician it's the worst nightmare which she can experience. And she is a very passionate musician, so she is losing the hope of again starting with the same career. And when we heard the story, we are in a very different what we can say, we never thought that a simple manicure can lead to such a big worse condition. So let me tell you what we can do to prevent such kind of conditions. So manicure is a self-care routine for most of the women and ladies out there. So whenever you go for any kind of manicure in any salon, try to check with these 4 things. Pehla, ask them that is there any kind of tools which are still not sterilized. Ask them, don't hesitate before getting a manicure. Ask them that they have all the fresh tools or they have sterilized it or not. The second thing you can do is not to go for any kind of cuticle cuttings. Mark my words, if you are getting cuticle cut, most of the time infection will be getting entered from those cuts. So this is the major reason why she got amputation, just because she got in contact with those bacteria through that small cut. The third reason, so when I'm telling you not to get any cut or cuticle cuttings, just because we want you to prevent it from the bacterial gate, क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया यहाँ से एंटर कर सकता है अगर there is any kind of small cut और वो अगर एक unsterilized tool से हो रहा है तो. The second thing you can remember is to carry your own nail kit. अपना kit लेके चलिए, so that even if their tools are unsterilized, yours are proper sterilized, so that can help you to resist all kind of infections. The third thing you can do is to go to a reputed and a good salon, so that you don't get to face these kind of issues afterwards. So to prevent these kind of conditions, share this with all the women out there, and ladies who are watching these, share with all your friends who are getting manicure. And if you feel that you got some kind of awareness from this case, stay tuned and keep supporting me so that I can come up with such kind of new special cases for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned.